How to use Reef quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Reef, which is an online crypto token available, which is a blockchain platform for DeFi, NFT, and gaming. And Reef has quite a large potential for expansion as well. So let's take a look at all you need to know about Reef and how to buy the Reef token as well. So let's get into it now. Reef Chain is a EVM compatible blockchain for DeFi. It is scalable, it has low transaction costs without any kind of wasteful mining, which is now a very essential thing. A lot of people know the effects of crypto mining and they want clean mining or non-wasteful mining. So Reef is built with non-wasteful mining with a substrate framework, and it comes with on-chain governance. So you have the solidity, you have liquidity bridges, you have Reef staking, and community governed. So you can easily join on the Reef system and create a new DeFi app or port your existing project over here. You can also get notified about more developments in the Reef platform. Now, this is a blockchain platform, but what exactly is the Reef token? Because every blockchain or every other platform now has their own native token, which you are probably looking for. That is the Reef token. So Reef has their Reef token. It is called Reef as well, and it is currently priced at $0.0032. It has quite a large potential for growth because the more the Reef platform grows, so it's a very simple one-to-one ratio. The more you see the Reef platform grow, the more successful the Reef application becomes, the higher the price of the Reef token will go. Currently, the overall crypto market has been going through a recession, so it really is being impacted globally to all crypto tokens. The current situation is that they are recovering, but it's still a recovery period. But in general, the Reef prices are going to correlate with the Reef application success, and the Reef app definitely has a very large potential. They also have their simple chain extension. You can download it for Chrome over here, just like that. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to click on add extension, and then you're going to have your Reef chain wallet extension added to your crypto menu bar over here. And we're going to pin it like so. And now if I click on a Reef icon on the top right of my screen, you can see you have all of the basic information. Now you're just going to click on this plus icon to create your Reef account, and then you have your information over here. And then after that, you're just going to enter a name and then a password for verification. And now you can see this is my Reef account. You're going to click on add account, and just like that, your Reef account has been created. So you can see you have your Reef token available over here. You can click on settings to turn it on dark mode or light mode, and you can change the language, your pop-ups, the window, and which network you want to be working on. So you can choose to be working on the Maniet or on the testnet network. So you can see on your top, you have options such as your basic tokens that you hold. You have send tokens, you have swap tokens, and then you have your account. So how do we know what the potential for Reef is? So if we take a look at the Reef chart over here on CoinMarketCap, let's take a look at the weekly chart over here. So you can see the weekly price of Reef jumped up to 0.003734, and currently it is down to 0.0031. So it has gone down in a weekly basis, but if we take a look at the monthly chart over here, you can see Reef has had quite a stable growth platform. They have had some spikes in price, but that is usually because of pumps and dumps created by the crypto market. But overall, the Reef price has been going up. It's been in the green sector. And if we take a look at the 3-month chart over here, you can see that they've had an initial pump and dump, and then you can see the price stabilization. The overall crypto market went down, so this is a reflection of that. But the overall situation of Reef is pretty interesting because Reef is one of the tokens that has quite a unique platform to offer. Currently, if we take a look at the token valuation, the token is ranked 303 on the overall tokens list. The overall market cap for this coin is 64 million. The fully diluted market cap is 63. The volume of tokens in the past 24 hours is 5 million, and the circulating supply is around 19.72 billion Reef. So There is quite the supply of Reef, and because it is a platform that is still mining its coins, they have no maximum supply. The maximum supply currently is uncalculated for the Reef token as well. And you can see the Reef token is priced pretty low. So if you're looking for a medium to long-term investment, Reef tokens could be a great option for you because they are currently at below the dollar mark and they have a lot of potential to do 5x or 6x in the near future in a couple of months. They're going to be a good long-term investment as well. Now, if we take a look at the Reef trading platform on Binance, so you can do spot trading, you can do cross 3x, isolated 3x on Reef as well. And you can also buy Reef on the Binance platform. You cannot do a direct buy from Binance to Reef. So what you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Binance account. You're going to click on buy crypto. You're going to click on credit/debit card. And then you're going to buy BNB, which is the Binance coin. So once you buy Binance coin via your credit card, you can go onto the Binance trade. And from here, you're going to go into the Reef chart. I have opened up Reef/USDT. And you can buy Reef from over here. So you can just click on buy Reef, enter the total amount that you want to spend. And then you can click on buy Reef over here. So you can choose that option to buy Reef as well, or you can go with the simpler option of just opening up their extension and you can see your tokens available over here. You can click on your settings and you can import your tokens. So you can choose to buy some Reef from your basic Chrome extension as well. So that is one way to buy Reef. Now, if you want to go with that method, you can, but Binance is definitely a more secure and safe platform. Reef is also very secure and safe, but if you're looking for a more sellable or exchangeable platform, then going with Reef is going to be a better option for you. Now, if you're looking to make a lot of short-term profits, then Binance is going to be the better option. Now, if you just want to buy some Reef and keep it in your account, then buy it on the Reef extension. But if you're looking to swap and trade, then Binance is going to be obviously your wallet to trade, and it's going to be better if you just keep your Reef tokens in your Binance account. Now, taking a look at more of the information about Reef. Now, Reef is quite interesting and it is powered by Polkadot. So it basically shares the security systems that Polkadot has, and we all know about the major success of Polkadot. Plus, it enables cross-chain interactions with various DeFi protocols, and it gives you a DeFi landscape with a low technical entry barrier. So if you're someone looking into crypto or DeFi, then a lot of complex things can confuse you, and Reef simplifies a lot of those. And the Reef token is a token used to vote on different proposals, such as new features, readjusting certain parameters in the system, and it is a governance token. So a lot of the Reef protocols are built after the voting system on Reef is done. And you can see that the Reef wallet is used for interacting and accessing the blockchain. The Reef command line allows developers to deploy applications, and the Reef Scan blockchain explorer enables you to assist with deploying validators, bonding, and nominating factors. So in general, the overall development of Reef has been pretty stable. They had their seed allocation price, then they had their token allocation, and you can see the overall launch pool, the token allocation of the Reef token is available over here. So you can see the foundation, the protocol emissions, the overall Binance launch pool, and they have had a very stable economic growth, you could say, for the Reef platform or ecosystem in general. And in general, it is considered a good competitor or a good beside token to Polkadot. So if you were looking to invest in Polkadot, but you find maybe that the market has passed for Polkadot, then Reef is your next best option with the various applications and platforms that it has. The simple Reef wallet that is a direct competitor to MetaMask. It is as simple and as easy to use and supported by as many platforms. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to get started with Reef. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and check out our other videos on other crypto tokens as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. If you still have any questions or queries about crypto or any other crypto token, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.